my channel. To everybody who just clicked onto the subscribe button, to everybody who just joined the family, welcome to my channel, babies. The name is Masakho. The channel is The Masakho. Catch me on all social media platforms as The Masakho. Let's link, let's catch up. Right. To my babies, my day ones, my loves, my gingers. To you who haven't subscribed as of yet, be sure to click on the subscribe button, like this video, and comment down with your thoughts and opinions down below. Right? Right. So today, guys, on this vlog, on this episode, guys, I did mention that I will be trying to install my own hair. I've been trying to do my own hair. So I did install it first on my own, but I'm still not sure of what to do. So if you know how to install wigs, how to install your hair, please let me know if there's any errors that I did throughout this video. So from beginner to beginner, if you're also new, beginner to beginner, we're gonna learn how to put on a wig, install it, and whatnot. Right? Right. So guys, this is my wig. I styled it. It's my baby. It's my baby. I styled this wig, guys. Like, at first it was like partitioned like right here in the middle, and then I did it here over on the side. So yeah, I did play around with it. And also the products that we're gonna use throughout this vlog, if you haven't checked out my previous vlog, I did do an unboxing of everything that I got. So if you haven't if you haven't watched that vlog as of yet as to what I got, please be sure to go on and check that vlog. So we are still gonna be using stuff from this pack. I've unboxed this on my previous vlog, so if you haven't watched it, please go watch it. The only thing we need, I don't think we need this. So all we're gonna need on this vlog to do this, we're gonna need a wig cap. I also don't know how to use it. We need this to put on the glue. You need this, which is the bonding glue. I'm not sure if you are able to see it. And also a toothbrush. I don't know why. But yeah. And also a hair dryer. And a hair dryer. So those are the things that we're gonna need. And not forgetting to moisturize your hair before you apply it. Okay, you wanna put on your two pieces? Go open up your own channel. Channel. Guys, it's my nephew. So yeah. Let me stop rambling and let's get right into installing this hair. I tried, guys. I tried. I tried. I tried, guys. I tried installing it. I tried my utmost best, but I must say, so yeah, guys. This is my beginner-friendly wig install. Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. That's it. That's it. That's it. I tried. I tried. Remember, I mentioned this is my first time doing this. So, beginner to beginner, beginner to beginner, beginner friendly wig installation. And yeah, guys, it's stuck. It's stuck. So, question is, how am I gonna sleep? So, yeah, guys, I believe that is it. This is all I wanted to show you guys that I managed to do on my own. We're gonna keep learning, we're gonna keep trying, and yeah, the next time it's gonna be eyelashes, but I'm not quite too sure how I'm even going to put it on here. But yeah, just wanted to say this was, yeah, the beginner friendly wig installation, and I'm happy about it. At least I didn't fumble that big, didn't mess up anything much. But yeah, if you have watched up until now, be sure to click on that subscribe button, like this video, and comment down with your thoughts and opinions down below, and I will definitely see you on the next episode.